Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying 3 essentials: a Vulcan account, an API key, and the permissions to create alerts. Once confirmed, open the dashboard or install the CLI so you can act quickly. Next, choose the specific resources you want monitored: hosts, IP ranges, or Cloud ID, so rules are focused. Then create a minimal alert rule template with a clear name and description. This gets you past setup and into testing immediately, making sure you have the correct scope before moving on. Now you define the rule logic. Pick triggers like anomaly detection, threshold breaches, or specific signatures. Once chosen, set precise conditions, severity levels, minimum frequency, source filters, and the time window to reduce noise and catch real incidents. Make sure to map notification channels immediately so alerts reach the right teams via email, webhook, Slack, or pager. Also configure suppression and rate limits so duplicate alerts aren't disruptive. These middle steps are where accuracy and operational usefulness finish by testing and deploying. Trigger synthetic events and verify that alerts arrive with the correct payload and context. Once tests pass, deploy the rule into a monitoring policy and observe behavior for 24 to 72 hours, adjusting thresholds or filters as incidents come in. If alerts don't appear, check 3 common issues: resource scope or tag mismatches, API rate limits or authentication failures, and notification endpoint logs. Making those quick checks will resolve most problems and keep your alerting reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.